Greetings, culinary explorers, and welcome to another gastronomic adventure on foods around the globe. Today, we're setting sail on a new journey, a voyage of taste and tradition that takes us to the heart of the Holy See. Nestled within the city of Rome, the Holy See is the smallest internationally recognized independent state, but don't let its size fool you. This place is brimming with rich culinary traditions waiting to be explored. So tighten your apron strings, sharpen your kitchen knives, and get your taste buds ready as we dive into the unique and rich culinary traditions of the Holy See. Located within the city of Rome, the Holy See is the spiritual headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. But it's not just a religious hub, it's also a gastronomic goldmine that marries the best of Italian cuisine with the church's traditions. Nestled in the heart of Rome, the Holy See's culinary traditions have been influenced by its unique location. Imagine the robust flavors of Roman cuisine, the freshness of the Mediterranean, and the simple elegance of Italian cooking, all converging in one place. That's the Holy See for you. The church's traditions have also played a significant role in shaping the food here. The use of simple, fresh, and seasonal ingredients is a nod to the humble beginnings of the church. The emphasis on hearty, flavorful dishes reflects the communal nature of meals in the church, where food is not just sustenance but a way of forging connections and creating shared experiences. In the Holy See, every meal is a celebration, an ode to nature's bounty, and a testament to the enduring allure of Italian cuisine. From the sun-kissed tomatoes to the fragrant basil, from the creamy mozzarella to the crunchy bruschetta, every ingredient tells a story, every dish is a piece of history. Now that we've set the scene, let's delve into some must-try recipes from the Holy See. From hearty pasta dishes to delectable desserts, the Holy See offers a variety of dishes that will delight your palate. Our journey through the flavors of the Holy See begins with a comforting dish, fettuccine alla papalina. This dish is a testament to the Italian love for pasta and cheese. You'll need fresh fettuccine, butter, prosciutto, onions, Parmesan cheese, and eggs. Begin by sautéing onions in butter until they're golden brown. Add diced prosciutto and let it cook until it's crispy. Meanwhile, cook your fettuccine until it's al dente. Next up, we have torta della nonna, a delightful dessert that translates to grandmother's cake. This sweet treat requires a short crust pastry filled with lemon-scented custard and topped with pine nuts. To make this, you'll first prepare the pastry by combining flour, sugar, and butter, then chilling it. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, these recipes from the Holy See are sure to impress. Remember, it's not just about the end result, but the joy of cooking and sharing food that truly embodies the spirit of the Holy See's culinary tradition. And there you have it, a taste of the Holy See right in your kitchen. We've embarked on a culinary journey together, discovering the rich and diverse gastronomic traditions of the Vatican. We've savored the layers of flavors, the intricate cooking techniques, and the heartfelt stories behind each dish. From the hearty pasta to the delicate pastries, each recipe we've explored carries a piece of the Holy See's vibrant history and culture. Now, it's your turn to bring these flavors to life in your own kitchen. Try these recipes, savor each bite, and let your senses travel to the heart of Vatican City. Go beyond what we've explored today. Dive deeper into the Holy See's culinary traditions, discover its hidden gems, and let your taste buds embark on an adventure of their own. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, please give this video a like, share it with your fellow food lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Foods Around the Globe for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!